Okay, Linda, we're going to now do a countdown timer for them. So here it is in admins, and I want you to go to files and go down to countdown timer for tournaments. Hit that. This URL right here, I want you to hit that. And here we are. So we're just doing a generic, the first one. If you go down here, you don't have to do an event name or anything like that. You're going to put a date in, and it's going to be Sunday the 28th. You're just going to hit that. And then you want 5 p.m. right here. 5 p.m. You hit that. And the location of event is Louisville. That's where I live. But anyway, so it automatically does it as Central Standard Time. So if you just type in Louisville, it will set it up for you, okay? So again, all you have to do is hit the date right here. It's going to be Sunday, the 28th is our ending. And hit here. We're doing a 5 p.m. right here. And it's going to be Louisville, which is a Central Standard Time. And then you hit create countdown like that. And here is your countdown. Up here, let me make this a little bit higher for you. Up here is your URL right here. You're going to left click that and it's going to all turn blue, and you're going to copy and paste this. And this is going to go in the write-up of your ending score. So you can keep this in a tab if you want. This is how I do it. You can keep it in a tab up here at the top. I have mega tabs open right now. See all the tabs I have open working on things. And then leave it there. And then when you're going to insert your picture, you're going to do the write-up for the ending scores, and we'll do that together. And then you're going to come back here after you do your write-up. You're going to say, here's your countdown, or here's your countdown timer for your convenience, or for your convenience, here's a countdown timer, something like that. Then add this URL right there, and it will put this timer in there for you. Okay?